Turning now to the coronavirus pandemic, and a new study released by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says the Omicron variant continues to spread rapidly, and boosters are Americans' best line of defense against the virus. More hospitals across the country are reporting an increase in COVID cases. Many healthcare workers say they are feeling the strain and they need more help.
As the fight against COVID continues, cases are falling or plateauing in more than half the country, including the Northeast. But the situation is still critical in several states, and many hospitals are still overwhelmed. Among those hardest hit, Wisconsin, which leads the nation in new cases per capita.
Nowadays, if you fall on the ice, you have a heart attack, you have a stroke, we don't have beds available for those types of incidents. All the beds are being filled by COVID patients. Patients are waiting in the emergency room for days.
The U.S. recording more than 18 million new cases in the last month alone. More than a quarter of the nation's total number of confirmed COVID cases reported since the beginning of the pandemic. And millions of eligible Americans remain unvaccinated.
Unvaccinated are nearly 14 times more likely to be infected and 53 times more likely to die. That is huge number.
On Friday, a federal judge in Texas issued a nationwide injunction barring the government from enforcing President Biden's vaccine mandate for federal workers. In a statement, the White House saying vaccination is our strongest tool against the virus. The Justice Department plans to appeal the decision. Meantime, the Biden administration says free N95 masks from the federal government will be available at pharmacies and community health centers in the coming days. And free at-home COVID tests from the government have already started shipping.